Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to Channel Name. Today, we're diving into the eye-opening, mind-bending world of quantum physics. Think it sounds complicated? Trust me, it's more mysterious and fascinating than you might ever have imagined. Have you ever wondered how something can be in two places at once? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll impress your friends with your newfound knowledge and maybe even play a game of hide and seek with a quantum twist. All right, let's break it down. Quantum physics is essentially the branch of science that studies the behavior of the tiniest particles in our universe. Things so small they can't even be seen with the naked eye. Imagine trying to understand a world where particles can be both waves and bullets, where they can exist in multiple states at once. Sounds like magic, right? At the heart of quantum physics lies the idea that everything is connected in ways we can hardly understand. Picture a giant web. Each thread is a particle, and just as they vibrate differently, these particles interact in unique ways depending on their environment. It sounds complex, but think of it as nature's own dance party, where everyone is connected but can move independently. Let's get into some of the most mind-bending phenomena of quantum physics. First up, we have quantum entanglement. Imagine you have two magical dice. You roll them separately, and no matter how far apart they are, whether one is in your living room and the other is on Mars, they always land on the same number. That's entanglement. Particles that are linked in such a way that when you change one, the other responds instantly, defying our usual concepts of space and time. Next, let's talk about wave-particle duality. This concept is like a two-for-one deal at your favorite store. Particles like electrons have a peculiar ability. They can exist as both points, particles, and waves. It's as if you could be both a cat relaxing on the couch and an Energizer bunny at the same time. The famous double-slit experiment showcases this. When particles are not observed, they behave like waves, creating interference patterns. But the instant you observe them, bam! They act like particles. It's like they know they're being watched. Now, onto the legendary Schrödinger's cat-a-cat that is simultaneously alive and dead until we peek inside the box. This thought experiment highlights the strangeness of quantum superposition, where a particle can be in multiple states at once until observed. Just imagine being a cat where you can take a nap and be ready to pounce in one moment. That's a pretty cool cat. Now that we've explored the oddities of quantum physics, let's pivot to its real-world applications. Ever heard of quantum computing? It's the next level of computing power, where quantum bits, or qubits, can perform calculations at incredible speeds compared to ordinary computers. This means things like solving complex problems in seconds. Then there's quantum cryptography, which uses the principles of quantum mechanics to create secure communication channels. It's like having a secret code that can't be broken. Our smartphones might even tap into this technology, making sure your selfies stay just between you and the cloud. As we step into the future, imagine a world where quantum technologies could revolutionize medicine, materials, and even AI. The possibilities are truly limitless. All right, folks, your turn. What do you think about the bizarre world of quantum physics? Is there a phenomenon you find particularly fascinating or confusing? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed unlocking these mysteries with me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and geez, you guessed it, subscribe to my channel for more mind-blowing science content. Your support means everything. To wrap things up, we've taken a dazzling journey through quantum physics, from understanding entanglement and wave-particle duality to recognizing the incredible technologies being born from these principles. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more adventures in science. Until next time, keep questioning and exploring the mysteries of our universe.